Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Can you believe that this is already the last video I'm gonna do before Halloween? The time flies by. I'm so shocked, but today we're gonna do another amazing pumpkin recipe. First off, you wanna cut down your pumpkin into small pieces, and then you wanna bake them with 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Then you want to take some lukewarm milk and you want to sprinkle your yeast into that and mix it in really well until it is dissolved. In a bowl, you want to add your flour and your sugar, and all the exact measurements are down below as always. You want to add your butter to that. Some ginger, ground ginger, and some ground cinnamon. Then you want to take your pumpkin, your baked pumpkin, and puree that. And put that in as well. And then last but not least, you want to add the yeast mixture and also the egg. I forgot the egg and had to add it in later, but I would not recommend. So now you want to go ahead and knead your dough. As you can see, now I'm belatedly adding the egg. And I had to use more flour because the dough was very wet still. You don't want it to be too wet. It shouldn't be sticky at all. And when you're happy with the consistency, you want to put a towel on top and let that sit in a warm spot for an hour. Now it should have doubled in size and you're ready to roll it out. So you want to just take it out of your bowl and roll it out. You don't want it to be too big. Then you want to mix the brown sugar and the white sugar. And again, add some ground ginger and some ground cinnamon. And give that a good mix. You want to also heat up some butter a little bit. It doesn't have to be super liquidy, but so you can distribute it evenly. Now you want to brush the butter onto the dough. And you want to make sure you apply an even coat all over. And then sprinkle the sugar cinnamon mixture also all over. And then start rolling it up. So as you can see, my dough was still a little bit sticky, but it worked out in the end. So when you have the finished roll, you want to cut it into 12 slices. You want to make sure that the slices are even in size. So you can see here how I measure it out. And then just cut little slices off and place them on a baking sheet with some baking paper. Then you want to put a towel on top again and let that rest for another 30 minutes. And then you're ready to bake these with 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Now I don't like to add a glaze on top, that's just too sweet for me. So these are done now and I really like them. They're very fluffy and the pumpkin gives it a very nice fruity taste. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with cinnamon rolls, so these were perfect. I hope you liked this recipe and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye!